We could break, gotta take it to your place, but I won't.